Amazfit has proved its ability to release affordable gems like the long-lasting Amazfit bip. Now, with the Amazfit Stratos, the company is taking its fitness trackers to the next level with a watch that features multi-sport support, VO2 max oxygen consumption measurements, and a partnership with Strava, among other inclusions that will please gym-goers. Of course, the step up to the big league of wearables comes with a bump up in price over what we're used to seeing with Amazfit. It retails at $199, around 256 Australian dollars, still a cheap price all said. In addition to all of the extra features, it possesses some design elements that we're more used to seeing in a smartwatch. Since the US launch, we've also seen the product launch for the UK set in the middle of June, where it's set to cost £145.99. That's a touch cheaper than what it costs in the US, but we've only seen it up for pre-order on Amazon so far. While not the most user-friendly option on the market, nor the most low-profile device, the Stratos is an impressively feature-rich wearable that undercuts the likes of Garmin and Polar with its sheer amount of activity support. Amazfit Stratos price and release date. The Stratos ranks among Amazfit's more expensive wearables at $199, and is available through Amazfit's website in the US, as well as Amazon. If you're outside of the US, we've seen Xiaomi, Amazfit maker Huami's parent company, it's confusing, selling it direct through Amazon for £145.99. That won't be in stock until the middle of June though. We'll be keeping a lookout for added availability elsewhere, but like Amazfit's other wearables, the Stratos isn't available everywhere.